Hello, everyone. Get ready for something really cool. It almost feels like you stumbled on a secret AI party. We're talking about Google AI Studio's video gen function that runs on VO2. Now, here's the thing about VO2. If you currently want to use VO2, you could go search for it. It's going to take you to Google DeepMind, right? And when you go to Google DeepMind right here, it's going to say try on VideoFX. And when you go to VideoFX, as you can see here, it says join the waitlist, which I have joined for God knows how long. Now, here's also another thing to consider. If you do want to pay for VO2 to use it, maybe in Google Workspace or with any other Google tool, as you can see here, it says Google VO2 AI video generator currently costs 50 cents per second of video. This translates to $30 per minute or 1,800 per hour. And I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking, didn't OpenAI Sora just do this? Didn't they just give free access to Sora? And I got to tell you, I'm still waiting, because as you can see here, it says video generation is temporarily disabled for new accounts. You can check out all this stuff, though. It says, I'm starving. Press the heart to give me a treat. More like I'm starving. Can I get in to generate videos like you said? I could. And this is not just about me being a recent subscriber, because when you head over to the community on OpenAI about Sora video generation, as you can see here, it says Sora video generation is disabled for new accounts. But not necessarily the case. Even old accounts, people are so pissed off here because they can't get in. Even those that have paid, as you can see here, are saying they can't get in. Exactly the same issue here, upgraded solely for that reason. And then the option isn't available. More than a little frustrating. Yeah, I have the same issue. I also want to use the Sora video and only limited use was mentioned when I subscribed, but limited seems to turn out to no use. That's very misleading for new users and totally unacceptable. And if we're talking about time, Bay here says, same. My Sora account is almost 2 weeks old, but still I can't use it so much so for restricted access I've bought plus solely for this feature. So this lets you know this is a game changer. If I could simply just go to Google AI Studio right here and go to Video Gen, put my prompt in and generate a video for free, that totally changes the game. Now, this is huge because when I take this same prompt right here, I'm going to take the same prompt, as you guys can see here, and I'm going to go to Kling, where I have a paid subscription. And when I go to Kling and I paste that same prompt for 10 seconds, it's 200 credits. 5 seconds is 100 credits. And going back to Google AI Studio, as you can see here, 8 seconds, 765. And I could generate this video currently now for free. Now, here's the thing. As you can see, it's not all the features here that you could use right away, right? You're running on VO2, which is awesome. You have the aspect ratio that you could change, whether portrait or landscape. You can do as many results up to 2, as you see over here. And you can't change the frame rate currently or the resolution. And this is for whether you're using a free Google account or a paid Google account. I've tried it on both. So you know a lot more is still coming. But the fact that you could just do this right here alone changes the game completely. So now I'm just going to show you a quick demo. We'll put a prompt in here and also put the negative prompts to see if we get a good output. And in this instance, we're going to make it sort of busy because that's been one of the things when it comes to video generation tools. You put a lot of stuff in there and they just can't figure it out. But I believe this is where VO really stands out, and we'll check it out here. So we're going to put a prompt in here. And this prompt is going to be about a fashion runway in Italy. So as you see here, it says a vibrant fashion runway show in Milan, Italy. Models of diverse ethnicities walk confidently down the catwalk, showcasing the latest designs. The backdrop is a grand historic Italian building with ornate architecture. The lighting is dramatic with spotlights highlighting the models and their clothing. The camera pans smoothly, capturing the movement and energy of the show. The atmosphere is glamorous and exciting with a stylish audience watching attentively. And this time we're actually going to do a 9:16 so we get a portrait output. And now let's put our negative prompts in here and run it. And as you can see, you start to see the runtime at the bottom here, which I think is so cool. It gives you an idea of how much time it's taking to render. So let's see what we got when it pops out now. All right, so in a little over 30 seconds, it pops out and we'll play the video here. So as you can see here, they're walking. Another model walks away, turns into another model, kind of like another shot, but quite realistic. You see the crowd in the back there. I'll do a large view here. Let's play it again. Facial features look real. Walking is real for the most part. Changes into another model here walking. People sitting in the back. Look at those walking away. It shows Italy. Like, this is really amazing. And for the fact that you could do it for free. And so the real mind-blowing thing about this is that anyone can jump on this right now and start creating videos. No wait lists, no complaining in any communities out there, not paying that much, or if anything right now. And I don't know, this might change. Like, it's almost as if somebody forgot to turn off a switch, right? That you can do this. It's like amazing. Because now, whether you're a small business owner trying to create marketing videos or presentation videos, whether you're a content creator looking for fresh ideas, whether you're a musician wanting to create visuals for your video, whether you're an advertiser looking to create advertising videos. I mean, think about it. If we wanted to create a video about an ad for a car now, we could simply put in a quick prompt in here, run it, and in seconds, you have this. And it's like a commercial. Like, this could be a commercial for a car. This could be an ad on the TV for a car. The background's clear. Like, it's amazing to see the features, the trees, the hills, the road, the signs, the coast. It's just so cool. I mean, this feels like a golden ticket we should probably use before someone knows it's lying there. And while it's still the early days of VO2 in Google AI Studio, it's quite promising. The fact that a tool like this is freely available is going to change the game completely. You can look forward to seeing people directing videos from their laptop, maybe from their tablet, maybe from their phone, full-featured movies with tools like this. It lets you know what's in stock for the future and the possibilities. Because right now, if you're thinking about being a movie director, you can see that the game has changed. You're going to need to involve tools like this to get the right output. But I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. And check out the demo videos we've done already using Google AI Studio's Video Gen tool to see some other amazing and stunning videos that it's been able to create. Take care.